App order ITC Couch Gourmet Baked Falafel Wraps. Ordered it from ITC Maratha via the Feel Good menu. Ordered it with one more dish. All packaged, well sealed in impressive big carry box. Costs rupees 550. Also includes lavash, parsley and foxtail millet tabbouleh, pickled veggies, lebne and hummus dip. So many crispy triangular pieces of baked lavash. The two baked falafel wraps are tasty and well filled. The creamy lebne and hummus dips are really delicious too. Just worth it.